Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set a custom ringtone on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the GarageBand app on your iPhone. Swipe and tap on Audio Recorder. At the top, tap the menu bar icon and turn off the triangle icon. Now, on the top right, tap the loop icon. A list of songs will appear. Choose your preferred option. Here I will select music. Pick your favorite song. Once the song is added, long press and drag it to the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the song and adjust the timeline to select the part you want. Make sure it starts at the beginning of the track. To preview, press the play button. When satisfied, tap the downward icon at the top left and select My Songs. Long press the file, rename it, then long press the file again and click on Share. After that, tap on Ringtone. Finally, tap Export. Now open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, select Ringtone, and choose your custom song. So that's basically how you can set a custom ringtone on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.